In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the download failed error in Claude AI. This issue usually comes down to your browser, file permissions, or your connection. And the good news is it's almost always fixable with a few quick checks. I'll walk you through each method in order, explain why it helps, and share a few tips so you can get back to downloading without frustration. Start by confirming your internet connection is stable. A shaky network can interrupt downloads midstream. Restart your router, switch from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot or another network if you can, and then try the download again to rule out a temporary connectivity blip. If that doesn't do it, try a different browser. Claude works best on modern browsers like Google Chrome, and Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox are solid alternatives. If the download works elsewhere, that's a clear sign your original browser needs attention. Next, clear your cache and cookies to remove corrupted data that can block saves. In Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Delete on Mac. Choose cookies and cached images and files and clear data. Close and relaunch the browser before retrying. Check your download location and permissions. Make sure your downloads folder isn't full and that you have permission to save there. In your browser settings, open downloads and change the default folder to a known writable location. On Windows, try running the browser as administrator to bypass permission hiccups. Temporarily disable extensions that might interfere, especially ad blockers and privacy or security add-ons. Turn them off, refresh Claude, and test the download. If it works, re-enable extensions one by one to find the culprit. Security tools can also block downloads. Briefly disable your antivirus or firewall to test, then try the download again. Don't forget to turn protection back on right after. If Claude generated a file or link, use save link as to download it manually. For text or code, copy and paste the content into Notepad, Word, or VS Code and save it directly. If the file itself didn't generate properly, click retry or regenerate, refresh the page, and ask Claude to output it again. Confirm you have enough storage. Free up at least 1 to 2 gigabytes by clearing old downloads or large files. Finally, try incognito or private mode. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N in Chrome to bypass cached data and most extensions, then attempt the download once more. One of these steps usually resolves the error. Once you're back on track, remember to re-enable your antivirus and any extensions you need.